Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education channel. In today's session, let us study about subject-verb agreement. If the subject is singular, the verb must be singular. If the subject is plural, the verb must also be plural. The subject of the sentence must agree with the verb of sentence. They must agree in two ways. First way, in person. In person means first person, second person, third person. For example, I am reading. Here, first person, I. With that, you have to use am. They are dancing. Third person, plural. With that, you have to use are. You are singing. Second person, with that you have to use are. He is playing. Here, third person singular, he is there. With that you have to use is. In the same way, you have to consider number also. In number, we can say singular and plural. Ravi plays cricket. Here, Ravi, one person. So, you have to use singular verb, plays. Okay. Ravi plays cricket. They play cricket. They is plural. So, you have to use plural verb, play. We go to see movie. We, it is plural. So, you have to use go. It is a plural verb. Now, let us look at some rules of correct use of verb. Means subject verb agreement. Some rules let us see. If the two subjects are joined by and then verb will be plural. Geeta and Sweta are friends. Here two nouns, Geeta and Sweta, are joined by the word and. Then you have to use plural verb are. Okay. Pronoun also you can use. He and she were present in the function. He and she, both of them are pronouns. With them you have to use were. Okay. Here those pronouns were joined by and. Next rule. When two nouns refer to the same person or thing, take singular verb. For example, you see here, the poet and painter has died. Poet and painter has died. Here, poet and painter, both nouns are referring to the same person. That's why you have to consider that as one, so you have to use has. The project director and additional collector is on tour. Here, project director and additional collector, both are referring to the same person. So, you have to use is. Next rule, a singular verb is used with singular persons. Example, each, either, neither, anyone, etc. For example, each of the boys was given a prize. Here, each of the boys. It is referring single here. Okay. So, you have to use was. Neither of the students was absent. Everybody has helped her. None of the workers was present today. Here, each, neither, everybody, none, such things when they come, you have to use singular verb. Next rule, the verb in an or, either, or neither nor sentence agrees with noun or pronoun closest to it. See here. Neither the manager nor the workers were present in the function. Here, workers is the nearest one, so you have to use plural verb there. He or I am to go there. He or I am. I is nearer one, so you have to use am. Either they or he is telling lie. Either they or he. Here he is nearer one, you have to use is. Next rule. When we use an uncountable noun as the subject of the verb, we use singular form of the verb. When we use uncountable noun, that time we have to use singular form of verb. For example, honesty is the best policy. Fear begins to haunt him. Knowledge is power. Here you can't say knowledge or power. Knowledge is power because it is uncountable noun. Next one. When the subject consists of one of plus plural noun, the verb is singular. One of plus plural noun. For example, one of the girls was singing. One of the girls was singing, not were. One of my friends needs some help, not need. One of the students is talking, not are. Next rule. Some nouns ends with yes, look like plural but singular in meaning. Take singular verb such as commonly used nouns are physics, mathematics, news, innings, arms, politics, mums, etc. They look like plural but actually they are singular. For example, the news has spread like forest fire, not news have spread. First innings was spoiled due to rain. Mumps is dangerous disease. Physics is an interesting subject. Here you have to use singular verbs. Next one, collective nouns like group, crowd, folk, regiment, etc. are generally followed by singular verb. When we use collective noun, generally we use singular verb. A group of boys was playing in the ground. A crowd of people rushes into the hall. A regiment of soldiers is marching towards the town. These are some rules related to subject-verb agreement. Rest of the rules let us see in the next session. Thank you for watching video.